Alright guys, so the moment we've all been waiting for. Big old parts box from CJPONY parts. Let's dig into this thing and see what's in there. So I got all the parts pulled out of the box. We got the left and right trunk panels, the panel that goes behind the gas tank, the battery apron, patch panel, and then the actual battery tray holder, whatever you want to call it. And then we have the 2 quarter panels that I got, the driver's side and the passenger side. They both came undamaged, so kudos to CJPONY for packing and shipping. I'm super excited to get these parts put into the car and get this thing rolling. Alright, so before I take the remaining parts of this quarter panel out, I wanted to show where some of the weld locations were. So there's a flange down here at the bottom where there's going to be welds. To get to those, you'll probably need to take your quarter glass out, and then further to take the quarter glass out, there's going to be welds on the inside of this flange here. And then if you're trying to save this piece, what you can do is open those welds. See if I can get a light on it. Open up these welds here, right in there, so that will release the quarter panel from that panel there. Also, there's going to be welds at the bottom, and then if you get the same quarter that I got and you want to save your taillight panel piece, what you're going to have to do is either release those welds from the inside or replace this outer panel. So yeah, let's dig into it. So I was totally missing this nut that's on the back side of this. It's been a while since I put this thing together. Alright, let me get that out.
Thank you. Hello, YouTube. Greetings. A woman said an obscenity to me today at the gas station.
Congratulations. What's up, everybody? We're back in the shop tonight. We're gonna do some sandblasting and get this inside of the quarter area panel prepped and epoxy primed so that we can get the new quarter panel on. Okay, so it's the next day. It was getting dark out and the walnut shell wasn't cutting it, so I ended up going back to the store and getting black oxide aluminum, so I'm gonna try that next. I went ahead and threw some rust converter spray paint on the seams and some of the worst spots. So next I'll epoxy prime it, but I think I'm gonna call it a night. I'm tired, covered in blasting media, and just ready to call it. So stay tuned, guys. Subscribe and keep watching. Thanks.